Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to make trending turban, and I'm going to be using two different materials. I'm using a stretchy polo material, not stretch material. For head circumference I use 22 inches, or depend on how stretchy the material is, I use 21.5 inches or 22 inches for stretching material. But with this one, I'm going to use 21.5 inches. The measurement here is 13 inches by 33 inches. I fold into two. After folding into two, I have 16.5 inches. That means when I open the material is 33 inches. This is 33 inches. The folding into two is 16.5 inches. The measurement is 5 inches by 21.5 inches. So I cut 22.5 inches plus sewing allowance. So I'm going to sew this one here. The material is very light. You can line it if yours is light like this. I'm going to sew this one here. I will sew from here down to this place. So the one to make design is this one. I've already measured and I have this very light fiber. You can see through. You can see through the fiber. You can see my hand under the fiber. The measurement here is 10 inches by 33 inches, just like the cap. I have 10 inches by 33 inches. After folding into two, I have 16.5 inches. And I have this fiber. I have here 5 inches by 16.5 inches. What I will do on this fiber is to sew just here. After sewing, it will come like this. I'm done sewing here to hold the fiber and the band. What I will do next now is to fold into two this way. I'll measure a circumference and sew here and sew this way and leave about 2 to 3 inches here on top here. I'm done sewing here up to here. I leave about 3 inches here open. This is where I will sew this one on like this here. So what I'm going to do is to make gather from after the band. I will start my gather from here up. Like this. I'm going to tie and sew back again. If you can sew this with your machine, fine, just do that to secure the thread so it doesn't cut. I will try with my machine if I can sew here. So what I will do is to make gather here and here to come like this. I'm able to sew with my sewing machine. And I'm going to do the same here. So I will bring this one from here. this one from here. Like this. I will sew here. I'm done sewing. So this is the finished look of the stretching one. I'm going to show you how to sew with non-stretch material. Measurement here is 16.5 inches by 25 inches. So I'm going to fold here with 2 inches, and I will sew here. After sewing, I will bring this way. My hair circumference for this one is going to be 23 inches. The white one is 21.5 inches. That is the difference between the stretching material and non-stretch material. So I will measure 11.5 inches. I will sew here to here and leave 2 to 3 inches. I'm done sewing here, and I leave 3 inches here, just like the white one, and the same measurement with this one. I sew here and here, and the right side. Just like the way I sewed the first one, the white one. Exactly. So when I'm done sewing, I will show you the final look. So you know the measurement of the stretching material and non-stretch material. So this is just it. Same way. I'm going to tack here with my thread and needle. So this is it, guys. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you have any question concerning this video or any of my videos, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.